In this video, I'm going to show you what happens after you click on the search button. I'm going to show you just with one street. I'm going to explain what all the buttons do on the next screen and what the program does to make sure that you have paid for the program and that your information is correct. Alright, so I'm going to click on search. I'm searching for Cecilia. Alright, so in this case, I'm already signed in. Otherwise, the program signs you in. If you put in your username and password wrong, it'll tell you that the password's wrong. Make sure you change it. Do not try that. If you keep putting in the password wrong, you will get locked out. You probably already know that. So make sure that if you're putting the password in wrong, you call the office, or actually no, you probably don't want to call the office, but you want to put in the password yourself manually and make sure that you're putting it in correctly. All right. So also right here on the right side, you can see that I paused the program. If I just hit pause, the program will turn red. That's how you know it's paused. If I click on continue, it'll continue. When we get to the Parcel Quest results, you can decide that you want to skip that address. For example, let's say you're on an address right now that has 50 units and you want to skip it already because you want to get to the next one. You don't really care about all the units in this address. You can click on you can click on skip this address, and that'll skip that current address. If you want to skip to a specific address, then let's say you ran this street before, but you left off at a specific address, you can skip to that address. That's what that means, jump to address. If you want to skip the entire street, you can click on skip street, and it'll skip the entire street. Alright, so let's continue the program. Right here, by the way, on this page, the program's going to check how many leads you have in the last 10 days, because there is a limit to how many you can have. You cannot have more than 800 leads. My program actually will stop you, I believe it's at 600. So right there, this user had less than the max number, so it's working. It's going to now log into Parcel Quest. Again, if you put the Parcel Quest info wrong, it'll tell you that it's wrong and you need to run the program again to fix that. Let me pause the program really quickly. You just saw a window pop up right here. That is the settings window for Parcel Quest. The program's just making sure that everything is set up properly for the program to work. There are a couple of things that need to be set up. The program now checks that, and it also fixes the issues if there are any with the Parcel Quest account. While this thing loads, right here it says info name and info address. Right here you're going to see the titles of the addresses that we're looking up, and right here you'll see the address itself. This will tell you how many leads you have. This will tell you how many leads you have in that address. So for example, let's say it's a 5-unit building. This will tell you how many units you already have saved. The lead and sub-lead do not work just yet. I'm actually implementing that on the next update, which is coming out in about a month. This already shows up internally in the program. It just doesn't display it here. That's all. So this takes long to load. So this message tells you that it's going to sort them by address, because Parcel Quest does not sort them by address by default. So it will do that. Takes a while. Okay, and now you can see this is the title, this is the address. These are a bunch of units, so I'm actually going to skip this address. There are no results. Look, it just keeps going. I think I picked a bad street for this, because what's going on is that a lot of these, they're not homes, they're businesses. Look, they're LLCs, they're different things. So, and I only chose one address. But anyway, the program's going to go through all of these addresses on the right hand side, all these titles, and it'll go all the way to the bottom, and it'll keep doing that on the heat system. Okay, so on the next video, I'm going to show you how it saves the leads, how that works, and then the video after that, I'll show you how to view your lists. Okay, thanks. Bye.